Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it, and to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few though, just for example. When you're done, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad, allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then choose Receive button. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!